5 business transformation strategies using AI as the new electricity. AI experts reveal 93% of people will be left behind. Discover the mindset shift that keeps you ahead. Artificial intelligence is the new electricity. Andrew Ng. The AI revolution is happening whether you're prepared or not. Those who adapt will thrive while others struggle to remain relevant. Master these 5 essential skills. 5 essential skills to stay relevant in the AI revolution. Andrew Ng's crucial warning. First, skill inventory assessment. Create a 2-column list of your current skills. Mark which are AI-resistant creativity, empathy, strategic thinking, versus AI-vulnerable repetitive tasks, data processing. Second, curiosity cultivation. Spend 15 minutes daily exploring new AI tools in your field. Not to master them all, but to understand their capabilities and limitations. Third, value addition challenge. Identify one process at work that AI could potentially automate, then proactively suggest how human oversight could enhance the outcome. Fourth, interdisciplinary connection. Combine knowledge from 2 separate fields to solve a problem AI struggles with. This intersectional thinking is your competitive advantage. Fifth, adaptation acceleration. Learn one new AI-adjacent skill each month, no matter how basic, to build the adaptation muscle that will serve you throughout your career. Thanks for watching.